Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install DBeaver on Kali Linux 2024. Then we will see how to connect to MySQL in DBeaver. Okay, so open Firefox, go to DBeaver official website, that is Dbeaver.io. Click on download. See here we have the DBeaver Community Edition and DBeaver Pro. See, Kali is of the type Debian. So for Kali you have to download Linux Debian package. Okay, click on it. See, download has been started and its size is 122 megabytes. It is of type Debian. Okay, see, download is completed. Now go to terminal, then downloads ls. See here we have the DBeaver Community Edition Debian package. Install it. Before that, verify DBeaver is there or not, because Kali comes with lot of pre-installed. See, we don't have DBeaver. Go to terminal, sudo dpkg-i, then give the package name DBeaver and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed DBeaver Community CE, that is Community Edition. Now go to applications and search for DB. See here we have the DBeaver CE. Click on this DBeaver Community Edition. I don't want to create sample databases. Okay, this is the window to connect to the database. Cancel it, close that one also. Now here we don't have any database connections. So to create connection, you have to click on this connect button, or in the drop down you select the SQL, that is MySQL, or click on new database connection. Select the MySQL, then click on next, because I have already installed MySQL on Kali Linux 2024. If you want to install MySQL on Kali Linux 2024, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Let me show you. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, I have MySQL community server is running. Okay, go to quit. See, it automatically taken the localhost and host name is localhost. If you have the some other name, you can provide, or you can provide the IP also, and this is the port number. See, this is the username. By default it has selected root. If you have other user, you can provide it. Then provide the password of the root user. If you want to save the password, click on save. Otherwise, uncheck it and click on finish. Expand it. See, now it is installing drivers. Click on download. Then provide the password of drivers. See, if you receive that error, then right click on the connection, then edit connection, then drivers, driver properties. Here allow public key to be true. Then click on OK. Click on yes. Now expand it. See, we have the databases. See, this is the R2 schools database. This is the user database. Even if you go to shell or terminal, sudo mysql -u show databases. See, we have the one database. Let me create another database. Control L, create database sales. See, we have created database. Now if you right click on databases and refresh, see, we have the new database. Here also we can create database. Click on SQL, then type the command create database company, select the query and click on execute. See, database is created. If you are unable to find, right click and refresh. See, new database is created. Even if you go to terminal, run again, show databases, there you will find that company database. See here. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver on Kali Linux 2024. Then we have seen how to connect to MySQL from the Kali Linux. If you want to connect to PostgreSQL, click on connect, then select the PostgreSQL. Okay, for more Kali Linux or database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.